Guys, have you ever seen an airplane so massive that another airplane can fit inside it? Or a jet that needs 32 tires just to take off and land? And imagine, a plane that's literally built by joining two separate aircraft together. If not, then don't miss today's video, because I'm going to show you the 10 biggest, most powerful, and mind-blowing airplanes in the world that will leave you absolutely stunned. So let's get started. Top 10 biggest airplanes in the world. Antonov An-225 Mriya, the largest cargo plane in the world. Built in the 1980s in Ukraine, specially designed to transport satellites and heavy machinery. Length 275 feet, 84 meters, as tall as the Statue of Liberty. Equipped with 6 turbofan engines and 32 tires, can carry up to 640 tons of payload in one flight. Range 15,400 kilometers. Sadly, it was destroyed in 2022 during the Russia-Ukraine war. Antonov An-124 Ruslan. Known as the smaller sibling of the An-225, but still the second largest cargo plane in the world. 226 feet in length with a 240-foot wingspan. Can carry up to 405 tons. Primarily used by the military for transporting heavy weapons and vehicles. Lockheed C-5M Super Galaxy, the largest military transport aircraft of the USA. Length 247 feet, wingspan 222 feet. Can take off with a weight of 381 tons. Used in war zones for rescue missions and weapon transport. Boeing 777-9X, the largest twin-engine commercial aircraft in the world. Capacity of 426 passengers. Length 252 feet. Range 13,500 kilometers. Powered by the world's biggest jet engines, GE9X. Airbus A380, a double-decker passenger jumbo jet, can carry 853 passengers in one trip. Length 236 feet, wingspan 261 feet. Designed for busy airports to transport more passengers at once. Airbus Beluga XL. Strange in appearance, but highly effective. Designed to transport huge aircraft parts and satellites. Has extremely high loading capacity and cargo height. Stratolaunch Rock. This plane is built by combining two aircraft. Wingspan 384 feet. Used to carry rockets and satellites to high altitudes and launch them from there. Its wingspan is as big as a football field. Airbus A340-600, a long-range commercial jet. Capacity 380 passengers, powered by 4 engines. Range up to 13,900 kilometers non-stop. Fitted with Rolls-Royce engines. Boeing 747-8, the newest version of the Queen of the Skies. Length 250 feet, can carry over 600 passengers. It's the largest aircraft in the Boeing 747 family. Airbus Beluga, original. A special cargo plane built from the A300-600, used to carry space station parts. Its high roof design allows large components to fit inside. So friends, you've now seen the biggest and most incredible airplanes in the world, with size, power, and design that are truly breathtaking. Which one was your favorite airplane? Have you ever flown in any of them? If yes, how was your experience? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked the video, then hit like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next epic video. Until then, take care and bye.